No stupid joke to start today. Sorry. It's just stupid me.
Sunsets like a tangerine. Let's find a road we've never seen. Life is short, make it sweet.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Good
I love
morning.
you.
Love
Good morning,
you.
everyone. Happy Saturday. Alrighty then.
Alrighty then, she says.
Happy Saturday, July 26th, 2025. Just in case y'all were needing to know what date it was.
2025. Is anybody else having a hard time with that, or is it just me?
Me. Because it seems like it was just 2000. I mean, that's when we met, but it seems like it was just 2000, and that was 25 years ago already.
Well, you know, people say, well, yeah, this happened 20 years ago, and I'm like, you mean 1970?
Yeah. I know. Exactly.
Hello,
Exactly.
McFly!
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Goodness.
We have a couple of birthdays, and we apologize if we missed your birthday because we don't know when your birthday is. But when you tell us, it does get put on our calendar and it will show up next year. So, happy birthday to anybody we missed.
You know who
their
you
birthday.
are.
Yes.
We love you.
So, the couple that we have today is our family.
Yes.
So, your son Robbie on Sunday is his birthday, the 27th.
That's my oldest son, Robbie.
And then our nephew is on Thursday, Asher's
Asher.
birthday. Happy
Happy
birthday,
birthday.
Asher. So those are the two birthdays that we had this week that we know about. So last Saturday we chatted with you. You worked on video stuff and merch stuff, like
Yeah.
new
New shirts, new hats.
from Bonfire, and
We don't have the drink containers, but we have new drink containers with logos on them. Check it all out at bonfire.com. The link is in the description below.
Thank you. And we watched baseball.
Yeah.
And I took care of my grandpuppy Lola for lunch and dinner.
Yep.
My son was off doing something, so I got to go spend some time with her. And you were kind enough to order some pizza. It was kind of like, you buy, I'll fly.
Yeah, so that's what
It's
we
like,
did.
oh man, I don't know what to make, so get on the app, boop, 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 boop. And it's just over on the other side of the hill.
Yeah.
So it was
Pizza and wings.
Pizza and wings, yes. That's always nice. Whenever we can do that.
Yep.
On Sunday, I worked and also took care of Lola.
Lola again.
Yeah, RJ was going to go do something.
Videos, just kind of played here and there with videos.
Baseball game. I didn't put whether we won or lost because, just because.
It just doesn't even matter anymore. It's just baseball.
So I think we mentioned that Wendy and Kevin got some baby chicks.
Yeah.
So they're going to have some chickens here, but right now they're babies. When they got here, they were that big, and that was a couple weeks ago. I think they'll be 3 weeks
3
old
weeks.
on Tuesday.
It'll be 3 weeks this coming Tuesday.
They're this big. They're like teenagers now. They are getting their wings so big that they're trying to fly up out of the box that they have them in.
Yeah.
So we're going to have to try and do something else. But last Sunday, they tried having them outside for a little while so that they could clean out their brooding box.
Yeah.
So they're just been fun. They're getting their little personalities, and their feathers are coming in, so they're getting very pretty.
Hey, before we do Monday,
Yep.
let's do the question of the week.
Question
Okay,
of the week.
last week's question of the week was, what do you call your significant other? We got a lot of people just saying honey.
Honey.
Yeah, honey and babe were the top two.
Yep.
So, this week, full-time RVers, part-time RVers, weekend RVers, wannabe RVers, how do you feel about your RV neighbors hanging up wind chimes?
Can you tell what my answer is to that?
I'm talking real wind chimes.
Ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling.
Do you say, it doesn't matter, we're only here for a couple days. It doesn't matter, we're only staying a week. Okay, let's pack up and move. Or let's go over and talk to them and see if they'll do a conversation with us and take them down.
Yeah.
As you can tell, we don't like wind chimes.
You don't like wind chimes.
We don't.
We don't. No.
So, what do you think? In an RV park, even if you're out boondocking and somebody
Oh, that would really make me mad.
they're not spoondocking with you, but they're far enough away that you can still hear those wind chimes. Do you just put up with it? What do you do? Let us know in the comments below.
Yeah, let us know what you would do.
Question of the week.
There you go. Alrighty. On Monday I worked, you did video stuff, and we watched a movie. We decided to take the afternoon for a couple hours and watch a movie. We watched Joe Somebody. It's an older Tim Allen movie. It's pretty good.
Pretty decent little movie.
Pretty good. I love Tim Allen, so, and that was one of the movies of his I had never seen. I've seen pretty much all of them, I think.
Yeah.
Baseball, the Cardinals won.
Doesn't happen often.
We're always surprised by that anymore. Yeah, the trade deadline's getting pretty questionable. On Tuesday morning, I started to work, and then you needed some help with something.
Yeah.
He started a project and went, we need two people, 4 hands for this project. So the lower section of our screen door, the screen needed to be replaced. We carried the screen around with us all winter and never did it. But it was one of those things, can't be windy when you're trying to do this. And I'm glad we did it here because we had a nice solid surface to cut the screen.
Yeah.
So
hey, it looks great.
It does. We got that.
Now I want to replace the other 2 sections of it.
Wait, those are okay. They're fine. I think once we clean them, they might look a lot better. The rest of the door needs to be cleaned desperately. So that's added to the
there you go.
project list
Yeah.
there somewhere. Where was I? Right here. Oh, you did some video stuff.
Yeah.
We want to thank you all for being here and watching. We love it when you join us each week on our Saturday show.
Yep.
And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. Click that bell in case you don't remember each time we put out an episode, so that you know once you get into it, then you'll know. It'll be like, hey, those Tom and Lori idiots are on Saturday. Oh, that's right. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. Answer our question of the week if you would like to. And share us with all of your friends and family that you would like to torment. That you can be their reminder. Hey,
Yes.
by the way.
There you go.
Or ask them to subscribe. On Wednesday morning, we went and got our groceries. It was a great time to go there. We got there like 9:30, 10 o'clock.
It was ridiculously empty inside Walmart.
It's so nice. We're going to do that all the time.
Holy
Early in the
cow.
morning. Early in the morning. So we went and stocked up on groceries. We were getting things.
Okay, yeah.
Getting ready for things for your fun time coming up this coming week. I went and saw Lola for lunch, and I was also getting things ready for you while I was going to be gone at my mom's just for an overnight on Thursday. So got that stuff all situated, and then on Thursday morning,
You went and played old lady Yahtzee.
yeah, first of all, took Mom, we went to the thrift store, we went to the grocery store, went home, ate lunch quickly, went to play Yahtzee with her friends, and I got a double Yahtzee in a game. I had never done that before. That was pretty cool. That was pretty cool. It's always fun when you get a Yahtzee, but when you get 2 of them in one game, very good. After that, we stopped by the donation store. Mom will pick something up at a thrift store, and the one that she likes to go to, you're not allowed to, you can't try things on. So you don't know how it's going to look on you, but luckily it's not very expensive. So if it's something she doesn't like, she just throws it back in a bag to redonate. And that's what I've kind of done before when I've bought stuff and it's like, nah, doesn't feel right, doesn't look right, donate it back. Yep. Do not donate your Tom and Lori RV Life shirts. If I find one of those in a thrift store, I'll be very sad. Use them for rags. We won't know.
Use them for rags.
Right? We won't know about that. So, and then we went to the Dollar Tree. But we had a nice visit, played cards, watched some of her TV that she likes to watch. And I don't know, what'd you and Kaylee do?
We enjoyed the peace and quiet once again.
Mm-hmm. Like I'm so noisy. But my sister fed you supper.
Yeah, I had some pulled pork sandwiches. That was good stuff from Wendy and Kevin. Holy cow.
Yeah.
Yummy.
That was nice. I warmed up a frozen pizza.
Yeah.
Mom had gotten herself a little salad bowl, and I warmed up a frozen pizza. Hey, I like those. So, let's see here. On Thursday morning, that was that day. On yesterday morning, I came home, so I only spent one night at Mom's. And I don't know. Yesterday afternoon, we were both kind of. We're sitting in our chairs watching, YouTube or something,
Yeah.
and just kind of dozing off. So it was like, okay, it's cat nap time. 15 minutes maybe, I think, is all we managed. And then we got up and started doing stuff.
Old people in their chairs.
Yeah, those recliners is like...
Hey, this isn't a question of the day, but do you take naps regularly, every day? Yes or no? Let us know.
See, my mom does, and when I'm there, she doesn't want to nap because of taking up time during our time. And but she's got a note that goes on her door: "I'm napping. Don't wake me up." She's serious about her naps. Don't call her between
These
2
hours.
and 4, 1 and 4. Yeah. And you know when the time is that I'm always thinking about calling her? During that time.
Nap time.
Yep, during that time. And then baseball game, they won again.
Yeah.
They had won the night before, and then
Yeah.
they won again. Amazing.
Yes, it is.
Yeah. They're playing the Padres.
Yeah.
And they're a pretty decent team.
Yeah. Eh.
So Cardinals are getting lucky.
Yeah. I don't even know if it's luck.
Last Wednesday, did you catch our throwback?
Okay.
Our
It was a
throwback episode?
great show on Wednesday. You need to go check it out. It was all about RV roof maintenance and what you're supposed to do in the wintertime when it snows, because a lot of people don't think about it, but you should always get the snow off of your roof, and especially if you have slide toppers. Get that snow off of those slide toppers. Go check that video out from last Wednesday. This coming Wednesday, oh my gosh, she hasn't seen it yet. I'm not even going to let her see it, because after Wednesday at 2 p.m., y'all need to comment, uh-oh, Tom's in trouble.
That could be any video.
Oh my gosh.
Is it my pack rat one? My name is Lori and I'm a pack rat.
And let's just call it a throwback snippet show.
Oh, snippets. Oh, great. So let's pick out Lori's finest moments.
2 o'clock Wednesday, 2 o'clock Pacific time Wednesday. You do not want to miss this one.
Oh, goody. I was also going to mention on the video last Wednesday, if you haven't been with us for very long, you get a glimpse at our beautiful collie that we had, Daisy.
Yes, she was in that one.
Yeah, she was a snow girl. She loved it. We wanted to talk about something coming up in a couple months. It's very exciting for us. It will be our 10-year anniversary being on the road, full-time living in our RV.
Same RV, 10 years.
10 years.
Who would have thunk?
So we got to keep our fingers crossed that
We
it'll
make
last
it.
2 more months
That
at
we
least
make it.
in the same RV, so we can continue that statement.
But it'll be, throw the date out, September 24th.
September 24th. It's a Wednesday. We're going to
Wednesday.
be live.
We're going to be live
We're
on
gonna have
YouTube.
Prizes.
Sunsets like a tangerine. Let's find a road we've never seen. Life is short, make it sweet.
Yep.
It's gonna be fun.
We're stockpiling
So
prizes right now. So
put that on your calendar.
we need to go back to Walmart and get some more bananas and apples. And
Not yet. They won't be. We can't send people bananas and apples.
watch
No,
me.
They will be better prizes than that.
Yep.
I assure you.
So make an appointment right now in your phone for September 24th. It'll probably, I think we said 5 o'clock, right?
I think so.
The time still floats,
Yeah.
but the date is locked in. Wednesday, September 24th. You don't want to miss this. It's going to
So
be
if
a
you-
live YouTube broadcast, and we're not limiting it to just 1 hour. So it'll be a lot of fun.
That's right. And if you are someone that works till 5 o'clock, you have 2 months to ask your boss to get off early so you can get home and participate in the Tom and Lori RV Life live,
That's right.
celebrating our 10-year anniversary
Yes.
in our RV.
Oh boy.
Began our RV life. So, we thank you for being here today, and we hope you have a very wonderful week coming up. Cheers, everybody. See ya.
See ya.
Take your